Welcome to the module on Pandas data structures. In this module, we'll dive into the foundational building blocks of Pandas, which are nothing but series and DataFrames. These two structures form the core of almost everything you will do with Pandas. It can be from simple data exploration to complex transformations. So why is this module important? Understanding data structures like series and DataFrames in Pandas is like learning the alphabets before writing a novel. Once you master these structures, you'll be equipped to handle and analyze data effectively. This knowledge is essential for tasks like cleaning or cleansing messy data, selecting specific rows and columns, or performing calculations on subsets of data. Throughout this module, we'll work with two real-world datasets. They are nothing but Toyota Sales Data.csv and Sales Reps Data.csv. When it comes to Toyota Sales Data.csv, it contains information about Toyota car models, their sales, and the years in which they were sold. Actually, this is only 1 month data, hence you will have the date within a given month. When it comes to sales reps data.csv, this dataset includes details about sales representatives, their regions, and their sales targets. These datasets will help us understand how to work with series and data frames in practical scenarios. Actually, even though the targets is relevant, to keep it simple, with respect to sales reps data, we have removed targets. We have other details related to sales representatives. That being said, here is what you will take away from this module. You will understand what a Pandas series is and how to create and manipulate it. You will learn how to work with Pandas DataFrames and perform basic operations. You will also learn how to access specific data using .loc or LOC. LOC is for label-based indexing, and .iloc, which is position-based indexing. Label means column name, position means row ID. The differences between .loc and iloc are also covered in this module. You will also understand when to use each of these. By the end of this module, you will be confident in working with data structures, setting the stage for more advanced topics later in this course. Before getting into the actual lessons in this module, let me also explain how this module is structured. We'll start with Pandas series. We'll understand how to handle one-dimensional data like a column of a spreadsheet. That is where series comes into play. Next, we'll move to Pandas DataFrames, which represent entire tables. Then we'll cover data access methods such as .loc for label-based indexing and .iloc for position-based slicing. Finally, we'll compare .loc and .iloc side by side so you know exactly when to use each. This flow ensures you build a solid understanding of each concept before moving on to the next. With that said, let's jump into the first lecture where we'll explore Pandas series. You will see how this simple yet powerful structure allows you to manage one-dimensional data effectively.